Alright folks, and we are now set to get this one underway, as it's Joe Beninati. Along with me is Kenny Albert. Kenny, what do you think about tonight's matchup? Well, Joe, I think it's going to be a great one, and I think we got a lot of good action ahead of us. Yes, I agree there. Well, let's see how it turns out here on opening night for the Cats.
Here's Eric Stahl. Here comes Stahl to Chris Clark. Now a quick pass up to Brindamore. To Eric Stahl. From behind the net to Clark. Now he just dumps the puck in. One-timer. About to drop the puck. The faceoff goes to the Hurricanes. The ref indicates a delayed call. He gets called for interference.
Brian Pothier, 2 minutes for interference.
You can see that coach isn't too happy about the call. Carolina is about to go on the power play for the first time in this game.
Jim, they've got some good finishers in their lineup, but they like to keep it simple. Point shots with lots of traffic in front.
Oh, what a defensive play to knock the puck off his stick. Commodore. Here's Rod Brindamore, looking for his first shot on net. He passes it to Stahl. Here comes Stahl. Intercepted. It's cleared by Eminger. To Rod Brindamore. Here comes Rod Brindamore. Into the slot. One-time shot. Brindamore comes in offside.
Washington Capitals forward lines. Washington Capitals defense pairings.
Here comes Ovechkin. Morrison. Down into the corner. Grabbed by the Capitals. Carolina is 0 for 1 with the man advantage as the penalty expires. Shoots it quickly. That's blocked by the defender, taken by Gleason. Just wide of the goal. Sotheby. Here comes Washington with a real urgency in their attack. Quick shot from deep in the slot.
Carolina Hurricanes forward lines.
They're getting ready for the
Carolina Hurricanes
faceoff goes to the
defense
Hurricanes.
pairings.
They bring it over the line. Here's Eric Cole. Hasn't registered a shot on goal so far. To Eric Stahl. Here come the Capitals quickly out of their own zone. They're into the attacking zone. Turned over. Here comes Stahl. Round the back. One-timer. Behind the net. Eminger. Washington will start the breakout. To Stahl. Now he carries it to center. Shoots it. He misses. Here's Eric Cole. Pad save by Johnson.
Jeff Hamilton.
The ref is signaling for the faceoff. Puck corralled by Wesley. Scooped up by Carolina. They gain the blue line on the attack. And he hangs on for a faceoff. Washington excels on the power play because they're so patient with the puck.
Jim, once they gain the line, it's only a matter of time. They pick defenses apart with quick accurate passes.
That's icing.
This is one guy that can
Ray
really turn a game around when the
Whitney.
pressure starts to rise. Whether it's throwing a big hit or scoring a goal, he always seems to come through.
He plays the game with big heart. Gleason. Here's Matt Pettinger looking for his first shot on net. Delayed call. He's getting called for hooking.
Justin Williams, 2 minutes for hooking.
Washington is about to go to work on its first power play of the game. Let's see if they can cash in.
You want to establish a good power play early, even if you don't score. Builds confidence and keeps momentum going.
Under 2 minutes to go in the first. Passed over to Cody. Shoots quickly. That's blocked and didn't get through. Puck picked up by Nylander. Graham Scott. Capitals take possession. And that'll do it. The first period draws to an end in a scoreless tie as we head to the break.
Okay, Kenny, and let's look at the first period stats by the numbers. Shots are 3-2 Carolina. Hits are 9-0 Washington. Faceoffs are 6-3 Carolina. Penalty minutes. Washington has 2 minutes. Carolina has 2 minutes. Power play. Carolina is 0 for 1 with the man advantage. Washington is 0 for 0 with the man advantage, working on their first opportunity right now. First period recap looks like this. Scoring. There was no scoring. As for the penalties, it was Brian Pothier, 2 minutes for interference at 3:29, and Justin Williams, 2 minutes for hooking at 17:41. Well, we'll be back for the second period here from Verizon Center in a bit with the score. Washington 0 and Carolina 0. Back in a moment here on Sportsnet Comcast Mid-Atlantic. Back with more in a moment.